Welcome back, and it's time now for sports.
Sporting director at Cavalier SC, Rudolph Speed, says he was pleased with his team's overall performance despite being held to a 1-1 draw by Juventus the Cayes of Haiti in their CONCACAF Caribbean Cup match at Sabina Park on Thursday night. Shamar Watson put Cavalier in front with a brilliant strike in the 18th minute, before Peterson Siedi netted the equalizer in minute 77.
And I thought we really looked good in the first half. Looked like it was going to using a strong defense to launch the attacks from. That worked for us. I still thought it worked for us even in the second half. I think we had a lapse of concentration to concede a free kick and then concede a goal. But it's a work in progress. Today I would have said I was pleased with the progress.
Goalkeeper Jadine White also assessed the team's performance.
I think we just never took our chances, and then we gave up a silly free kick on the edge of the box, which it would be a penalty for them with quality players. So that sums it up.
Cavalier, the reigning Jamaica Premier League champions, had lost 2-0 to Cibao FC in the opening game of the competition last week. National record holder Kieran Nugent says winning the Diamond League trophy for the 100-meter hurdles is a major boost heading into next month's World Athletics Championships in Tokyo, Japan. Nugent won her first ever Diamond League trophy on Thursday's second and final day of the Zurich finals in Switzerland. Nugent clocked his season's best, equaling 12.30 seconds to win ahead of hometown girl, the Tajikan Bunji, who equaled the Swiss national record of 12.40. American Grace Stark was third in 12.44, the same time as reigning world champion, another Jamaican, Danielle Williams. Victory for 23-year-old Nugent meant she secured the Diamond Trophy and a US $100,000 cash prize.
I haven't won any Diamond League since the season has started, and to be able to win the major one at the end of the season is a really good feeling, and it's given me a bit more momentum and confidence going into the World Champs.
2016 Rio Olympic 100-meter finalist Christania Williams has officially switched her allegiance from Jamaica to Austria. Williams is set to compete for Austria in the sport of bobsleigh. 30-year-old Williams was 8th in the 100-meter final at the Rio Olympics in 2016. The event was won by Elaine Thompson-Hera. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
And that's the Midday News. I'm Dwayne Anderson. Join us next at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.